I'm Lee Loyally, and I'm on the board of directors of the local homeowners association here of the Boulders in North Scottsdale. I've been on the board for several years. I've had common area responsibility for several years, so I'm familiar with a lot of the common area projects that we do and road paving projects that we've done over several years. Our plan had always been to redo our roads on a 5-year cycle. Uh, we were not sure that was the best approach because we would wear the roads down, we'd have some cracks and then fix them, and then we go through another cycle. So in terms of needing to do our roads, because it's been several years since we did anything, we looking at contractors who we might talk with to see what approaches we might take. We've used some in the past. We weren't all that happy, and we came in contact with Holbrook, and the HA5 product that Holbrook uses had an extended warranty, which was very attractive to us. And while the product was more expensive initially, if in fact the warranty held and the duration of the product extended as we expected it to, the actual cost would have been less than it would have been if we had gone with someone who had a lesser product and we needed to redo it several times. We decided to go with Holbrook. We've just finished that paving project, and it went very well. Everything that Holbrook told us they would do, they did. They were very helpful, very professional, very knowledgeable. Developed a great relationship with our neighbors so that when individuals needed transportation in and out, we had a cart that could take them to their cars where they were parked off the premises, away from the roads that were being paved. And that process worked out well too. So our experience with Holbrook in terms of the initial paving has been terrific. The roads look great. We are just into them now for a short period of time, having just paved them, but they look terrific. It's our expectation that they will be maintained in good fashion and will last a long period of time. And we're looking forward to creating an ongoing relationship with Holbrook so that we can now look at all of our remaining roads and create a plan where every year or perhaps every other year we do some of the roads, focusing on the best roads to keep them our good roads, and then work down to our other roads so that on a recurring basis we've done our roads, they're all in good shape, rather than waiting through 5-year cycles as we have done in the past. Well, I think our recommendation would be consistent with the course of action that we took. And having had several options when we did our road work, we opted to make a change and go with Holbrook because we thought that was a different and better approach than we had been using in the past. And I would convey that to other HOAs or others who are looking to do roads. We always had the feeling that we were working on this project together. It was never an us and a they kind of relationship. It sometimes results in working with contractors. So the relationship was good, the product was good, the approach is different, one that we like, and I would delineate all that and explain all that to a potential customer. They'd make their own choice, but certainly Holbrook would be my recommendation for something that should be seriously considered. And if it meets their needs, I would recommend that the HOA or whomever go with Holbrook and give them a try if they haven't used them in the past.